Bullish symbol cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 82 cents and $1.80 by 2030. Market experts accept ICX could reach 82 cents by 2025. Bearish symbol market cost expectation for 2022 is 14 cents. Symbol presentation, especially in its local South Korea. The symbol organization and the ICX token that it is connected to are making waves. What will occur later on since the cost has changed as of late? What is the generally anticipated cost of symbols? Check out it now. What is symbol? The local badge of the symbol organization, which empowers clients to foster their own coins and blockchains as a team with the organization, is the ICX coin. The blockchain is the establishment for a coronavirus-following framework in Jeju Island, South Korea, because of the symbol organization, which was created by the South Korean organization ICONLOOP and incorporates a decentralized trade. Organizations for certain large companies and administrative offices have likewise been reported. Symbol crucial investigation. Soon after its presentation in October 2017, the ICO for the symbol token raised $42.75 million. The crypto market blast of 2017 to 18 made symbol cost rapidly increment from its underlying least value worth of 45 cents. In November 2017, the normal exchanging cost passed the $1 boundary. From the get-go in 2018, the coin kept up with its vertical pattern, accomplishing its greatest worth of $12.64. In August 2018, it dropped to under $1 because of its failure to keep up with this greatest cost esteem. The year 2021 saw a huge bullish market for digital currencies, and ICX profited from it too. Following more than 2 years, it at long last passed the $1 boundary in February 2021, coming to an intraday normal cost of $1.38. In 1 month, the ICX cost multiplied. The symbol cost expectations for the term demonstrated that this development would go on in the impending months. Yet, in April shutting, ICX was down more than 16%. ICX had an effective May when it exchanged at its most extreme cost of $2. It immediately fell beneath $2, losing the greater part of its typical exchange cost as it went from an intraday most extreme cost of $1.96 to a base cost of 86 cents during the huge crypto market slump. In the months that followed the disaster, the value level of symbols showed a variable propensity. The negative cryptographic money market prompted the ICX's continuous dive under $1. In August 2021, the market recuperated, with ICX finishing the month up at least cost of $1.33. September 2021 saw an increment of 15%, while the ICX cost again passed the $2 boundary in October and shut with an increment of over half, making it far superior. In any case, in November it went somewhere around almost a quarter. Unfortunate exchanging conditions prompted a normal exchanging cost of $1.15 in December. By then, it had a market capitalization of around $775 m, positioned 101 in the entire crypto world. Following a general downturn, the coin got going at $1.22 in 2022, however later mobilized to 70 cents in February. Nonetheless, the cost of ICX expanded to a 52-week high after Yoon Suk-yeol won the South Korean official races in WOC 2022. Symbol coin was selling at a typical cost of 82 cents thanks to Yoon's obligation to liberating and advancing the digital currency industry. The coin was exchanging at a multi-week most extreme value level of $1.11 by April 2022. The stores, withdrawals, and exchanging for the crypto resource are presently live following the ICX debut on the digital money trade OKCoin, and fast purchase has been offering them from that point forward. In any case, after a short pinnacle, the coin began to fall forcefully, ultimately arriving at a low of 23 cents. The token is at present exchanging at about 30 cents as of the finish of June. Symbol specialized investigation. The Gateway Digital Coin Price directed a specialized examination. There was a board of 26 specialized pointers, 10 of which proposed selling, another 10 recommended holding or being impartial, and 4 proposed buying. Now that is finished, we should see what certain individuals are foreseeing will be the cost of ICX. Right now, it is vital to take note of that projections, particularly longer-term ones, are regularly mistaken. Moreover, a great deal of long-haul digital money value expectations are made utilizing calculations, which could change out of the blue. Symbol current cost. Symbol is as of now worth 18 cents USD. ICX has moved 2.33% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,706,866. Symbol is as of now positioned 534 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $168,027,815 USD. Symbol value forecast 2022. Symbol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ICX cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 27 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 25 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ICX is supposed to have a base worth of 22 cents. Symbol value expectation 2023. In 2023, symbol ICX cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ICX will before long outperform 45 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ICX's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ICX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 36 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 40 cents. Symbol value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 64 cents and ICX might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ICX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 58 cents and a low of 55 cents in 2024. Symbol value forecast 2025. In the event that symbol effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the ICX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ICX will be green in 2025. The ICX is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 82 cents, with a base cost of 73 cents and a typical cost of 77 cents. Symbol value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ICX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 95 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 91 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ICX has a greatest value worth of $1.01. Symbol value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.14. In the event that ICX figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.19. Neglecting to accumulate the help ICX needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.10. Symbol value expectation 2028. While ICX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.29 and a yearly cost close above $1.38 in 2028. Symbol value forecast 2029. By 2029, Symbol will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.47 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.56, averaging out at $1.51. Symbol value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is